What's up everyone, Devender2 here. I am back with another video. In this video we're gonna look at something new called git branching. So the git branch command lets you create, list, rename and delete branches. So the git branch command is what is in question here. So we are going to learn how it works. Then moving forward you'll be able to know how to manage and switch between branches when you're working on a project, even not for this project alone, but also in future projects. So, but in this case, when you write a git branch in the terminal, it'll show you only the only branch that is there is the master branch. This is the main. It's like the tree stalk of your project. But now, if you do git branch then branch name, you create a new branch. So in this case, we did git branch update underscore script. You will get you'll get not a, you don't see an output immediately, but you write git branch. When you write git branch there, you'll see there's the main branch, which is master, which has an asterisk on it, and you'll see update or script. So the reason why you're seeing the master branch has an asterisk and it's green, that means that the current branch that we are using is master. So if you want to change to the update script branch that you have developed, you'll just say git checkout update script. That's update script is the name of the branch. So it will tell you below there switch to update script. So if you run git branch again, you'll see now the asterisk is at update underscore script. So yeah, so the git checkout command lets you navigate between the branches created by the git branch. So yeah, so as you can see here on the screen, the git branch and update underscore script. This git branch command lets you create the update underscore script branch. So when you have created the branch, then you say git checkout, you're able to switch to the update underscore script, the new branch that you've created, in this case update underscore script. Now when you have done that, now the changes that you are asked for in the task, that is you add in bash, you add the file the 98, which I use touch to add the file to the bash directory. Then we are also instructed to make changes to the ALX file. So I used Vim. I used VI to make the changes. It's fairly simple because I just opened it from the command line. Then after I made the changes to the files ALX and school in bash. Now there's also this command that you can see below the VI school line. I did a CD space then dot dot. This moves me one directory back so that I can go to the main directory that I'm working on. So when I run a git status on the main directory, so git status displays the state of the working directory and the staging area. So as you can see, we have added it shows you that we have modified the LX and school files inside bash, which is what we have done when we opened it in VI and made the changes based on what the description of the task. Then you could see that it has already tracked the new file that we made, which is 98, which we touched it into the bash. So when you do that, when you do a git status, it gives you like all the things. So it can show you the modified and untracked files. So with that, when you do a git add, which git adds a change to the working directory in the staging area, when you do that, then you git add then space then dot. You're adding everything. So when you do a git status, you'll see the new file is ready to be it's ready to be uploaded together with the modified ALX and school files. So git status does that. So in the follow-up video, I'll be talking about now committing and pushing and moving forward. So yeah, man, happy coding. See you in the next video.